Good afternoon, everybody. Here now we have repair from my friend. He's a US citizen. We have here blender machine. Fruits and vegetable, doing some blender. We have a repair here. I think the problem with this thing is the switch. See the switch there? A latch switch. So this now is working, and I have to clean it and put it back. I have one washing machine repair. Here it goes. Electrolux. The problem with the Electrolux is I changed the board. As you can see, it's already long time ago. I ordered it from Lazada, commercial Lazada, from computer control Xingyu, China, and I bought it. For about 1,407 and 90 cents. Here's the receipt. And here is my workshop. It is right here in the middle of Sibera, Mabalacat, Pampanga. My name is Roland. I'm doing repair appliances like electric fan, spare parts, and refrigerator. I'm doing a lot of stuff here. So here's my friend Carl. Here's my friend Carl. Okay. So now I finished my job. Now I'm doing the Top Mama blender later. So I show you the Electrolux washing machine just finished, which is help people to see the idea what is the problem with this Electrolux. Actually, the problem with this Electrolux is the control board. It runs, it will give wash to you, rinsing, but definitely it will not spinning. So because there's a problem with the we call it the trigger bulb or the trigger solenoid. So there is a problem on this thing. So as you can see, the first checking is you have to check this one if this one is working. But when I check it, it's working. That's why I jump into this control board. This control board. So I change it right now. So as you can see, it's working right now. Right now they give it, the water is draining. Okay, the water is draining now, and functions 22 minutes as running. So I'm waiting for spinning. If this thing is running already, I will deliver it to the owner. The owner is only nearby on the Pier Street. So here, if you have any questions, you can ask me regarding of what repair you want, like electric fan, motor, changing bushing. If you have, I will show you how to do the changing the, we call it bushing. That will be later, then maybe I will upload it to you later. So I have a rice cooker repair. I have a lot of stuff here. That's all for today, guys. Later I'm gonna show you uploaded maybe 1, 2, 3 or 3 videos for you. Thank you. So here's the next upload. Yes, you see the just now the Electrolux. It's 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes running, 19 minutes spinning right now. See, that is the problem with the drain valve, but the most problem is the control board. So I'm very lucky to have the Lazada here. Now waiting for the water here, waiting for the water to come in again. So under this particular observation, I have to wait. That will be below 20 minutes. And I have here one also, aircon. Okay, that aircon, there is a problem with the board, the control board. It's not working properly. So I have a lot of stuff here, almost all doing everything here. I have a for sale equipment, and then I have a wall fan which is to be repaired and to be sale, no? This one is working and I can sell it. So a lot of stuff here. As you can see, I'm going inside the home. Yeah, I have here just now finished. I have here one Camel brand, but it's not a Camel brand. I have already modified it. I bought it for about 150 pesos and I'm gonna sell it for about 350. I have here a freezer. I'm selling it also. I have a repair microwave oven, but this one is I will cannibalize already. Taking the magnetron, install it to the other repaired what I have. And then I have a lot of stuff here. I have a refrigerator and I have a washing machine. This one, I will show you how to do it, regardless of what is the problem with the washing machine, with the aircon. I'm gonna upload this old video, and I have a water dispenser for repair also. I have a lot of stuff. So see you guys later. If I have time, I'm gonna upload it and show you, giving you idea how to do the things works out, how to repair, how to, so you can do it on your own. So maybe you can having any idea for doing it right. My workshop is to worsen. What I see is a lot, you know, this is workshop. I have a lot of stuff here, spare parts, everything I have here. So this video I'm doing because of I have to giving idea people. All people have to give me idea to how to repair, how to make these things up. I'm already 46 years old, I guess. But I've started when I was 13 doing electrical wiring, doing this kind of stuff. So this is actually my career. This is actually my career here. When I 3 years ago, I've been in abroad, but I love here in Philippines, so I'm doing it right now. As I tell you, I can show you the R600A as they doing, right? I have R600A Freon for the inverter, and I have a tank. I have a tank for refrigerant. I have here, so I can upload how many video I can get. I have a vacuum for doing the taking out the air from the system. So that will be later. Then I will show you what is the idea regarding how to repair, how to handle this kind of thing. I have my gauge manifold. So I have a map gas here. I have a map gas, something like that. So this is all workshop, everything. So see you on my next video again. Thank you. Okay guys, I have here already the Electrolux. Right now it's 12 drain water. It's 12 minutes, so it will spin. The water's already flowing. So this Electrolux, I'm gonna have to finish it and deliver it to the owner of the Electrolux.